Welcome to eSolish, English for work and life. Today, we will learn about different types of coffee.
Strong coffee, no milk, no foam. Espresso. Coffee, hot water, Americano.
Coffee, steamed milk, a little foam, latte.
Coffee, equal parts of steamed milk and foam, cappuccino.
Coffee and steamed milk, flat white.
Coffee and a tiny bit of milk foam, macchiato.
Coffee, hot chocolate, steamed milk, mocha.
Now it's your turn. What is your favorite coffee? Write your answer in the comments below.